Well, we've arrived here, and lovely smooth road with speed bumps, and we're out in the wilds anyway. Well, we are in the wilds here, but it's there's a manor house. I can't remember where we it's called. I've forgotten as well, but I'll put it up on screen anyway. That's more editing, isn't it? But just look. Okay, we're not going to get much solar because we're parked under the trees, but we've just driven, you know, hour and a half, 2 hours, so we've fully charged anyway. We don't need that solar. We've had horses go by. We haven't had no squirrels yet, which I'm expecting them. We've looked on Google Maps, we've looked on all the signage that is up, and there's absolutely nothing that says no overnight camping. So we're going to try it for a night, and we're just about to go for a walk now, so we'll let you know in a while. We did discover, after I tried to park 3 times further down where there aren't any trees, as though we got solar, right, but all the way along the back of the parking bays, as you can see, there's a big ramp, so you're definitely not going to get a motorhome on here. And if you park long ways with a motorhome, all you're going to do is piss people off, you know, taking up 5 bays, because it is quite busy. As you can see, look, it's full of cars. What it's like in the evening, I don't know, but you're bound to have all the dog walkers coming out, because there are some fantastic walks here. So yeah, but I tried several times to reverse down into the parking bays there, and I just kept hitting the ramp at the back, and eventually I managed to get it in off the road up there. I'm really overhanging the ramp at the back. I touched it, but now when I get in the van doesn't rock. So right, we're walking down here, and we're going to go and see, because at the bottom there is a pub and a cafe. So we're going to try and have a look down here. I tried to reverse in first of all, right by that post, and she just wouldn't reverse in there, because that, you know, as you can see, there's a fair sized ramp at the back. Or Will talking to himself. He's talking to himself, look. You know, he's talking about the skip. Another Bolingo. Oh dear. Yeah, I got windy holes in mine as well. I don't know why I put a jumper on, but it was cold this morning. The sun's come out. About you, Will, but I'm enjoying this walk.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
It's lovely. Yeah, and there is people, a lot of people around. Well, he's sure in the car park. There's a lot of people parked up. Oh, yeah, right next to the road at the moment. But we are making our way down to this cafe, and we'll see what signs are around there as well. We've walked all the way down, and at the bottom here there's Go Ape. Little Will went ape a long time ago. But, yeah, there's a Go Ape here, and this car park shuts at 6, and they put the gates up. I know for a fact they don't shut the gates, but it says on the signs it shuts at 6, so you adhere to the signs. But again, there's been absolutely no signs about overnighting. Yeah, it is open. Yeah. Right, and now we're down by the lake now, so catch you in a minute when we get something to film. What do you reckon to the walk so far then, Will? Will, talk to me. Well, that's better, he spoke then. He always goes... Yuck. All right.
Beetle, looks like a beetle.
Yeah, I can see it's a beetle, but but You spent a lot of money on that.
Yes.
Yeah. Did you build it all yourself? Yeah, you did. Good lad.
6 to 8 months.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, so you still use the Beetle suspension as well? Yeah.
Everything backwards.
Yeah, everything backwards. Yeah. Oh, fair dues. Yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah. I like it. And I like the idea of the perspex on the floor to stop the shit flowing up.
3 weeks after the event, most of the chips you see were within the first 3 weeks.
Yeah, right. I bet. Yeah.
3 weeks, stone chips everywhere. So yeah, for the first event.
It slows it down, yeah. Right, yeah. I know what it's like to paint tubular. It's bloody awkward to paint tubular.
Yeah, did it for me. I'm well pleased with it. The local car body shop did it for me. The only thing I didn't do was the paint.
Yeah, right. Don't say as I like the long forks on the front though.
It's part of the look.
Yeah. It shows your age. It shows your age.
Yeah. I must admit, they're not comfortable. But it's just for the looks. That's all.
It's just for the looks. Yeah. Love it. It says the West Pennines Moors. I didn't realise the Pennines came over this far. I don't know whether you can see that or not. Right. It's the M61 and the M65 and the M66. So we are pretty close to Manchester and Bolton. Right. Great House Barn, tea rooms, coffees, cakes, ice creams, Great House Barn. So it is part of the Great House Barn, which we're up Rivington Hall Barn. Yeah. Well, this is too close to the road for me. Yeah, this is busy road. Yeah, traffic here is permitting me to cross over, so I've left Will where he is, and I'll spin round as though we can watch him get run over. Hey, let's watch him get run over. Yeah. Look out! Splat! Oh, she'd got a sense of humour. Yeah. I mean, we have come on to Rivington Hall Barn. I don't know whether it's a driveway of theirs or whether it's council run. I just don't know. All the signs have got United Utilities on them, so I don't know. I haven't got a clue. I've got to Rivington Hall. I don't know whether I'm allowed to go in or not, but it looks bloody fantastic. Oh, my bike! I got my bike on too higher power. Yeah, it looks okay. Garden he's doing. Let's go round the other way. Well, got back round to the back end, and that's wedding parking only, and the car park closed overnight. So I don't know. Oh, I can't pedal because I'm in too low a gear. Oh. All right, let's take a look at the sign. Yeah, I still can't believe it's still part of the Pennines this far over though. Yeah, I suppose it's the Pennine Railway. It looks a beautiful building. I mean, not that I'd ever get married again, but I'd never be able to afford it. And I'm now back to where me and Will walked yesterday on this cobble road. And it's very rough on little wheels like it is. So, alright, that's where the American camper went and parked in there. Plenty of solar in there. We looked at doing that. Never mind. But anyway, I'll film it as I go by, I suppose I could, couldn't I? Right, if I can get the bike to go again. Oh, I'm away. And ride with only one hand on cobbles. 2 campers got in there. Yeah. I'm coming back onto the road, so yeah. Oh, there's another one there. Up on the grass. Well, that was Rivington Hall Barn. It was on park for nights. We definitely walked around. There was no sign saying no overnight parking or camping or anything like that. So I'm at a beautiful place now. That's in a video to come. I am about 3 weeks behind with my videos, but I do apologise over that, but I've just been way too busy enjoying myself. I've now spent the last 2 days all day editing, so that's there's still what 4 or 5 videos I've got to do yet, but anyway, that was Rivington Hall Barn. And it was a glorious place, lovely walks, loads of people, loads of horses, loads of bikes, and I went round on my bike. So this is a short video, so I'll let you know when the next one's out. Cheers.